If you do want to run Deepseek locally on your Mac device, then this tutorial is perfect for you, because today I will show you both how to actually run Deepseek on your command line, but also how to actually run it on a more nice chat box, more similar to ChatGPT. So let's get started by first of all heading over to olama.com. This is going to be the tool which we are going to use mostly. So just click on download right here. I will of course leave you a link for this down below, and download the macOS version. Once you've downloaded it, simply just drag it onto the applications folder right here. So let's now look for it inside here, Olama, and let's open it up. Then click on install right here, put in your password. Now head back to olama.com and simply just select the Deepseek R1 model or any other model right here. Once right here, we can then select the type of data which we don't want to use. So obviously the higher the better in terms of output, but if you are going to use 671 billion type of data sets, this is going to use quite a lot of RAM, and even 70 billion is going to be quite a lot if you, for example, are only going to have 8 gigabytes of RAM. So in my case, I'm just going to use the 7 billion type right here, and I'm going to simply copy this and open up terminal and then paste this in. This is now going to install the model onto your PC. This usually can take a couple of minutes, depending on your own internet speed. And now once this has been installed, we can send any kind of message. What model are you? Perfect, and you can then continue the conversation on here, but obviously this doesn't really look nice and this isn't really practical. Hence why I would recommend you to use a tool like chatbox.ai. It's completely free, and this will just give you the option to basically have a nicer interface, which is going to look more like ChatGPT. So let's actually wait for this to download, and then simply just open this up. Drag this onto the applications folder, and then simply open up the Chatbox app right here. We can then open it, and now this is going to give us the option to create a new chat. So in this case we are going to use our own local model, and we will then have to select the AI model provider. This in this case is going to be Olama, and then we will have to select the API host and the model. As you can see, by default we are right away going to see Deepseek available, so I'm simply just going to select it. I'm then going to save it, and when we are now going to put in what is your model, this is going to give us a nicer output, and we can then also put in whatever we want. And this is then actually also going to give us an overview of what Deepseek is thinking. So this is basically going to work exactly same as on the web page, and this is just a way of basically displaying all of the data easily. And of course you can also run this fully local without using the internet whatsoever. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to check out the AI University community down below.